my amazing D-Bimmer Relief Net family. Ever notice how worries pop up out of nowhere? Here's something you need to hear. It's just a thought. Pause for a moment. What if your worries weren't as big as they seem? Worries can feel heavy, like clouds blocking the sun. But remember, a worry is just a thought, nothing more. Thoughts come and go, floating by like leaves on a stream. When you notice a worry, try saying to yourself, "This is just a thought. I don't have to believe it." Take a slow breath in and out. Let that worry drift by without holding on. You are more than your thoughts. Next time your mind feels busy, remind yourself, whatever the worry, it's just a thought, and you can let it go.